Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, I'm going to show you a super simple way to calculate a 40% discount using your calculator. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's start with an example. Suppose you have an item that costs $1,357. You want to find out what the final price will be after applying a 40% discount. Here's how you do it in just 3 easy steps. First, we want to enter the price, 1,357, into your calculator. Then we want to press the multiply button. Now we want to multiply by 60. Oops. Now, you might be wondering, why do we multiply by 60? Let's break it down. When we're talking about percentages, the total is always 100%. A 40% discount means you are paying 40% less than the original price. So, if you take 40% away from 100%, you are left with 60%. In other words, paying 60% of the original price means you are saving 40%. So, by multiplying the original price by 60 and then using the percentage button, you're effectively calculating 6% off the original price, which gives you the final amount after the discount. So, finally, let's press that percentage button, and voila, the final amount after a 40% off is $814.20. Let's do one more example to make sure we've got it. Imagine you have an item priced at $2,450. So we enter the price, what we have. Then we want to press that multiply button again. We want to multiply by 60. Press the percentage button. And after a 40% off, the final price comes out to be $1,470. This quick method saves you time and ensures accuracy. And there you have it, folks. A fast and easy way to calculate 40% off a price using your calculator. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more quick tips and tricks. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.